Okay, here we are at Legend of Legion. Exec, what's your name?
My YouTube name is
Exec Gallows. You don't have a YouTube name? Do you have like Xbox?
Yeah.
Okay, just he's that random kid.
That's Italian boy, and that's failed 3.
That's racist. Failed 3, failed 3, fail.
Failed thread.
Oh well.
Let's reshoot then.
He failed. Well, he has a double, so he failed 2.
Okay.
No. This is going on your profile now. And the next couple of wars are I'm gonna make fun of you, and then I'm gonna put ha ha ha. You say.
Let's go.
Take it.
1.
We're team 1.
Charles, you took our ammo.
Get over it.
No, he told me to.
That kid right there, he's gonna get owned like so bad. That kid right there, he's gonna get owned.
Oh, guys.
I swear to God, if you shoot me.
I got a Rambo for my birthday.
Oh yeah, he got the Rambo for his birthday. Oh my God! He's
barrel fell out.
Butthole. Sorry, I had to run. Yeah, why are we running? I don't have a gun, so bang, bang, bang. I found Stefan. I made plenty. Okay, did you get your barrel? Oh my God, here's a Stefan.
Alright, I got a Rambo. Isn't it awesome?
Yeah, I know. Okay, but that's not the point right now. Point is to kill them. Okay, this may not be the best camera work.
I'm not sure if I exactly want to. Oh, crap.
Oh! Oh! That was close!
My double barrel?
Almost did. Dude, you got owned like you're gonna hit anybody. Here, try and hit me. Try and hit me right here. Hey, flank them. I'm on their team, so like, yeah. Not on there. No. And no. Bad random guy. Dude, you should have shot him.
What's the range on this thing?
Dead, like 100. Well, with the speed loader about 100. Cause look at that fail speed loader. That's for like a night finder. Look at that. That's fail. Alright, we're gonna play. No! Where's your flag? Oh, let's get their flag. I got the flag. We're returning to base. I got the flag. Timber! So, they don't need to know. Alright, I'm running back to base. Hey guys! Look at just one! I pwned you.
I got your flag.
And I got yours! You have to return to base. That hurt.
So I
Don't
got
shoot
my
me.
flag and your flag.
What the heck? No. Bad Italian boy. Or whatever your face is. So, Skull strikes again. So, we'll make another war. So, see ya.